Do you know how much the car repair bills can be after 100,000 miles? Over $1,500 a year, and after 200,000 miles, it can shoot up to $3,000 or more. That's a lot, I know, but you can avoid it. In this video, I'll tell you 13 simple habits that will make your car cross 500,000 miles without major repairs. And by the end of the video, I'll tell you one simple habit that will save you $3,000 alone in repairs. Let's get started. Habit number 1, warm up the engine. Let's be honest, how many times do you start your car, put it in gear, and drive off right away? Most drivers do it without thinking, but skipping the warm-up can quietly hurt your engine over time. When you first start the car, the oil inside the engine is cold. It's thick and sitting at the bottom. Oil needs a few seconds to warm up and flow smoothly to all the moving parts. If you drive off too quickly, the engine parts may rub together without enough oil protection. This creates friction, which slowly wears down important parts like pistons, valves, and bearings. And once these parts get damaged, repairs can easily cost a few $1,000s or more. The good news? Avoiding this is super easy. Just let your car idle for 30 seconds to 1 minute before driving. On freezing mornings, give it a bit longer to warm up. This short wait allows the oil to fully circulate and protect the engine. Warming up your engine costs nothing, but ignoring it can lead to expensive repairs and a shorter car lifespan. Habit number 2, change the oil on time. Oil is like the shield that protects your engine from wearing itself out. Inside your engine, metal parts move at super high speeds. Without clean oil, these parts would grind against each other and wear down fast. Oil keeps everything running smoothly by reducing friction, but that's not all. It also grabs dirt, dust, and tiny metal bits that could clog up the engine. Plus, it helps pull heat away so your engine doesn't overheat. Over time though, oil breaks down. It gets dirty, thick, and loses its ability to protect. That's when trouble starts. If you keep driving with old oil, you risk major engine damage. Repairs can cost thousands of dollars. That's why oil changes are so important. For older cars, it's usually every 5,000 miles. Newer cars can go 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Still, I recommend doing it after every 5,000 miles. But don't guess, always check your owner's manual. Changing the oil on time is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to make your engine last for years. Habit number 3, keep your car battery charged. Your car's battery is like its heart. If it stops, nothing works. But if you don't drive your car often, the battery can slowly lose its power. When a battery sits too long, it starts to drain and go flat. If this keeps happening, the battery wears out faster and may stop working when you need it most. That's why it's important to keep the battery charged. One way is to use a trickle charger. This small device keeps the battery full when the car sits for a long time, like in a garage. If your battery doesn't hold a charge well, a battery conditioner can also help bring it back to life. But if the battery does go flat, jump-starting the car isn't always a good idea. Jump starts can strain the battery even more and might even hurt the car's computer system and electronics. The best habit? Try to drive your car at least once a week. This helps keep the battery charged, especially in cold weather when batteries struggle the most. If you are still watching, here's a pro tip for you that many drivers miss. Habit number 4, don't use your gears to slow down. Shifting down to reduce speed, also called engine braking, sounds harmless, but it's not. Every time you drop gears to slow the car, you put extra strain on your transmission, clutch, and drivetrain. Over time, this can wear out those parts and lead to expensive repairs. The faster you're going when you shift down, the worse the damage can be. Even dropping multiple gears at once can make things much worse. The truth is simple, your brake pedal is built for slowing down. Modern brakes are strong, reliable, and much cheaper to fix than your transmission. Use your brakes first whenever you need to slow down or stop. Save the gears for driving, not braking. This small habit can save you thousands on transmission and clutch repairs. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your car running smoothly for years. Liked it? Then consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Habit number 5, keep your mass airflow sensor clean. Your mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, plays a big role in how your engine runs. It sits along the intake tube right after the air filter box. Its job is to measure how much air is going into the engine. The car's computer then uses this info to mix the right amount of fuel. But over time, dust and oil can build up on the sensor's tiny wires. When that happens, the sensor gives bad readings. This can lead to problems like rough idling, hesitation when you hit the gas, poor fuel mileage, stalling, or hard starting. Sometimes the check engine light will turn on with codes like P0100 to P0104. Before rushing to replace the sensor, which can be expensive, try cleaning it first. Here's how. First, find the MAF sensor near the airbox. Carefully unplug the electrical connector. Remove the sensor or its housing. Then use only MAF sensor cleaner spray to clean the wires. Never use brake cleaner, carb cleaner, or WD-40, they can damage it. Let the sensor air dry fully before putting it back in. Reconnect everything and clear any codes if needed. If you have an OBD2 scanner, you can even check airflow numbers before and after cleaning to see the difference. This simple job can save you hundreds and keep your engine running smoothly. Habit number 6, keep your filters fresh. Your car has filters that keep it clean inside. The two most important are the oil filter and the air filter. Over time, both get dirty and clogged. When that happens, your engine has to work harder. Dirty filters let in junk that can wear out the engine parts. If you ignore them too long, you may face expensive repairs. The oil filter keeps the oil clean as it flows through the engine. The air filter keeps dirt and dust out of the air your engine breathes. Changing both is simple and doesn't cost much. They're usually replaced during regular car service. For most cars, it's a good idea to change the oil filter with every oil change, around every 5,000 miles. The air filter should be checked annually, but if you drive in dusty areas, you may need to change it sooner. You can also do these jobs yourself and save some money. Some air filters can even be cleaned and reused. Just check your car's manual. Always use good quality filters. Cheap ones might save a few dollars now, but they can damage your engine later. Clean filters help your car run smoother, use less fuel, and last longer. It's a small job that gives big results. Habit number 7, replace spark plugs and wires. Your engine needs a strong spark to run. That's the job of spark plugs and wires. Over time, they wear out and can cause problems. Bad spark plugs make your car hard to start. They also make the engine run rough, waste gas, and lose power. That's why replacing them on time is so important. For most cars, spark plugs should be changed every 100,000 to 120,000 miles, depending on the type your car uses. Modern cars with iridium spark plugs follow this timeline. Always check your car's manual for the exact schedule. When you look at a spark plug, a healthy one has a light brown tip. If you see melting, cracks, or black deposits, it's time to replace it. If a new spark plug wears out too fast, it may point to a bigger engine problem. In that case, visit your mechanic. The spark plug wires, or leads, also wear out. If you see cracks or damage on them, they need replacing too. Many people let a good mechanic handle this, but if you know what you're doing, you can do it yourself. Just follow the car's manual carefully, and remember, this only applies to gas engines. Diesel engines don't use spark plugs. Keeping your spark system healthy means better fuel use, smoother rides, and a longer lasting engine. Habit number 8, check and top up fluids. Regularly, fluids play an essential part in your car's lifespan. If they run low, your engine can get badly damaged. The good news? It's super easy to check them yourself. Every 2 weeks, pop open the hood while the car is on level ground. Start with the engine oil. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, dip it back in, and pull it out again. The oil should sit between the minimum and maximum marks. In gas engines, clean oil looks light yellow or brown. If it's dark and dirty, it's time for a change. For diesel engines, dark oil is normal because of soot from the fuel, so don't worry if it looks black. Next, check the coolant. The coolant level should be between the marks on the reservoir. Top it up using a 50-50 mix of distilled water and antifreeze. Also, check your windshield washer fluid. Use proper screen wash. Never use dish soap, which can damage your paint. You'd be surprised how many cars run dangerously low on oil or coolant. Both can destroy your engine if ignored. A quick check every 2 weeks can save you from a huge repair bill down the road. Habit number 9, replace the timing belt before it breaks. The timing belt is one part many drivers forget about until it snaps. But this small belt controls some of the most important parts inside your engine. It keeps the pistons and valves moving in perfect sync. If the belt breaks while you're driving, the pistons can slam into the valves. That can destroy your engine in seconds. Fixing this kind of damage can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, or even more. The worst part? Timing belts usually give no warning before they fail. Sometimes you might hear a light ticking noise or spot an oil leak near the belt cover, but most of the time, they just snap suddenly. That's why replacing it on schedule is so important. Most cars need a new timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, or every 7 to 10 years, whichever comes first. Even if you don't drive much, the belt can still wear out from heat, oil, and time. Replacing it on time is way cheaper and much safer than waiting for a disaster. Staying ahead on this simple job can save your engine and your wallet from serious damage. Habit number 10, keep your car covered. A lot of people have garages, but many don't park their cars inside. Instead, the garage turns into storage for boxes, tools, or old stuff. But parking your car in a garage is one of the best ways to protect it. It keeps your car dry and clean. Rain, snow, and sun won't beat down on the paint or cause rust. It also protects from falling branches, bird droppings, and random scratches. Plus, a car in a garage is much safer from theft or vandalism. Some insurance companies even give discounts if you park inside. No garage? No problem. You can still protect your car with a high-quality car cover. Covers keep dust, dirt, and weather off your car, especially if you don't drive it every day. Just make sure the cover fits well and is made for outdoor use. A small effort like this keeps your car looking new for years. Less rust, less paint damage, and fewer repair bills. Protecting your car from the weather helps it stay strong inside and out and adds years to its life. Habit number 11. Another biggest mistake which shortens your engine life is resting your foot on the clutch pedal while driving. Many drivers don't realize that small habits can quietly wear out the car's parts. Even a little pressure keeps the clutch partly engaged when you continuously keep your foot on the clutch pedal. This creates extra friction between the clutch release bearing and the clutch cover. Over time, this friction wears down the clutch parts much faster than normal. If the clutch wears out too soon, you might end up with a costly repair bill. Replacing a clutch can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on the car. The same goes for your hand placement. Some drivers like to keep their hand resting on the gear stick after shifting. This may seem harmless, but it puts constant pressure on the selector fork and other parts inside the transmission. That pressure adds up over time and can lead to serious gearbox damage. Fixing a transmission problem is even more expensive than a clutch repair. The good news? These problems are easy to avoid. After you shift gears, always move both hands back to the steering wheel. Keep your left foot resting flat on the floor when you're not using the clutch. These simple habits take no effort but can save you thousands in repairs and help your car's transmission and clutch last much longer. Habit number 12, never ignore warning lights. It's easy to pretend those little lights on your dashboard aren't a big deal. Sometimes your car feels fine even when one lights up, but ignoring warning lights can lead to big trouble. Many of these lights are early signs that something is wrong. If you catch the problem early, it's often a simple, cheap fix. Wait too long and you could be looking at expensive repairs, or worse, an unsafe car. Some of the most serious lights are for your engine, brakes, and power steering. Brake or steering issues can make it hard to control your car and put you in danger. The engine light can mean many things. It might be something small like a loose gas cap, or it could point to a serious problem like a failing catalytic converter, which is costly to fix. That's why you should never guess. If you see a warning light, get your car checked by a trusted mechanic right away. The sooner you fix small issues, the longer your car will last. Also, pay attention to any strange noises or changes while driving. Catching problems early can save you thousands and keep your car running safely for years. As promised, here is that one habit that will save you hundreds of dollars alone. Habit number 13, change your transmission fluid on time. The transmission is one part most drivers forget until it's too late. When it starts slipping or shifting roughly, the damage is usually done. At that point, you're not fixing it. You're replacing the whole thing. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid doesn't get checked or topped off often. It's sealed inside and slowly wears down mile after mile. The tricky part, it still looks clean, bright red, and has no bad smell. But inside, after about 60,000 miles, it hides tiny metal bits, clutch dust, and varnish. varnish. These tiny particles act like liquid sandpaper, grinding your gears little by little. If you wait for problems to show up, it's already too late. That's why smart drivers change their transmission fluid every 60,000 miles or every 6 years, whichever comes first. For hybrids, you can stretch it to 90,000 miles, but don't wait longer. Transmission repairs start around $3,000 and can cost even more. One warning: never flush an old transmission that hasn't been maintained. Flushing can loosen the gunk that's holding it together and make things worse. If it's been serviced regularly, a drain and fill is safe. Always use the right fluid for your car. Using cheap generic fluids may save a little now, but can ruin your transmission later. The engine might still start if the transmission fails, but the car won't move. Stay on schedule, and your transmission will last for many trouble-free miles.